everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the difference between tunes of a drop-in bass map and then something I've retuned on the dyno. Today we've got a CVO twin cam breakout. This is just a stage 1 bike. So yeah, we've just done a retune on it and gained some horsepower. So I'll take you through and show you what I've done so far and the difference that you can have between having a bike done on the dyno versus just dropping in the bass map. So come and check this out and we'll have a look. So we came in, our first run, 86.4 horsepower and 107 foot-pounds. After a few runs we're up to 92 horsepower and 114 foot-pounds. Down here at the air fuel ratio you can see this is our first run, the blue one. Just sort of north of 14 to 1, down to sort of 13.5, back up to 14, and just nosing over at the top end there, upwards of 5,500 to 6,000 RPM. So after a few runs, I've richened it up, targeting here at 13 to 1, so a little bit nicer down there. And as you can see, just with that small amount of change on the air fuel ratio, I haven't touched any timing. I've picked up 6 horsepower and 7 foot-pounds. Now there would be more power to be had, but given that this bike's just a stage 1 bike, the gentleman's not looking for massive numbers. He's just after a little bit more peace of mind that the bike's running better, and yeah, it just picked up the tune a little bit and just made sure that it's running on point. So these are some of the things that we do here, and we just make sure that the bike's running properly. And as I said, I haven't lent on it. There's probably more power to be found in there by adjusting some timing and some further tuning, but just with a few changes on the air fuel ratio you can see the difference in the power straight away. So yeah, it's pretty handy stuff to have. But if you guys like this sort of stuff, just check out the rest of my channel. Enjoy.